Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas futures on May the 1st, exactly 1 week ago, when the price of this asset was $1.941, and my main assumption was that we have to have a rollover to the downside. The only confusion part is the top of the fourth wave, whether it was at roughly $2.15 or we might have another movement to the upside. And I drew this potential path of the price action, and guys, take a look on its actual price action. As you can see, we were at this point, and for now we are moving exactly as I predicted. That is why, guys, it is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is, because it is not a coincidence when the price behaves exactly as it intends to behave, and that is why if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. So I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Let's continue with the price action. Let me remind you that we are forming, let's switch to daily time frame and let's zoom out to show you the bigger picture of this asset. We are forming the ABC correction from its all-time high that this asset set at the end of August of 2022, and we formed an A wave, we formed an B wave, and we are forming the C wave. And C wave should have a 5-wave structure, and we have first wave right here, second wave right here, third wave, fourth, quite long, unusual fourth wave, and we are forming the fifth wave. Let me zoom into the fifth wave on this scale. You can see that we formed again the first wave, the second, the third, and we are seeking the top of our fourth wave, and it is the most concerning part right now, because as you can see, we have to have ABC correction to the upside, because the initial movement is to the downside, and in this case we might have the top of our fourth wave right here, and it should be a 5-wave structure to the upside from B to C wave. And then we have to see another leg to the downside that will complete this fifth wave, that will complete the fifth wave on a slightly bigger scale from this top to this bottom. As you can see, we might have this as our lowest point, and this will complete the entire ABC correction from its all-time high. And guys, in just several minutes I will show you what to expect next from the price, and let's continue with the fundamentals, some fundamentals on natural gas futures. So we are on tradingeconomics.com, and here is the latest update in regards to natural gas prices. US natural gas futures surged over 3.5% to $2.2 per MMBTU on Monday, hitting a nearly 4-month high, fueled by rising demand forecasts for its next 2 weeks, with feed gas levels to LNG export plants on the rise, notably with the reopening of Freeport LNG in Texas. Gas flow to Freeport reached a 2-month peak of 1.4 BCFD on Sunday, up from 1.2 BCFD on Saturday and just 0.4 BCFD in April. Additionally, prices were propped up by a 9% decrease in the production in 2024 as companies like EK2 and Chesapeake Energy postponed completions and scaled back drilling due to earlier price drops. Looking ahead, meteorologists anticipate a shift in weather patterns, transforming from above-average temperatures from May 6th to 9th to near normal conditions from May 10th to 17th. Before returning to warmer than usual temperatures from May 18th to May 21st. And guys, I have to say that potentially we still have possibility to hit a little bit higher targets, because let me show you on a smaller scale. And by the way, before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have to form the C wave, and C wave should have a 5-wave structure. And because of this gap, huge gap, and you can see that it was a contract switch, and this means we don't have any price action inside this gap. That is why it is quite difficult to assume what structure do we have right here. But with the assumption that if we connect, for example, this bottom right here, we can see that potentially we have this type of structure. This entire movement might be the first wave. This is the second. We are forming the third. Potentially we are seeking the bottom of the fourth, and we have to have one more leg to the upside that will complete the top of our C wave, that will complete the top of our fourth wave. And in this case, when we have this type of structure, completed structure, in this case we will have a rollover that will start to form new lows for this asset, and potentially the confirmation of this movement will be breakout below the B point, the bottom of the B point, and below this bottom, and this the breakout below this range at $1.523 will confirm its movement to the downside that will last again for several, that should last at least for several months. And guys, I have to say that we also have potential bull case on the table, with the assumption that this bottom is not lower than this one, but according to trading view data on NG1 exclamation mark, it is a natural gas futures on NYMEX, we potentially might have 1-2-1-2 setup. But in this case, the retracement to the second waves are extremely deep. And that is why it is very debatable whether it is 1-2-1-2 on a bigger and slightly smaller scale. But at the same time, we might have this ABC correction ended right here, and we have the fourth wave. Let me show you like this. Potentially we might have the fourth wave right here, and in this case, this might be the first wave on a bigger scale. And if it is the case, definitely we should see an impulsive movement to the upside without deep retracement. And guys, as I already mentioned, the invalidation of bull count will be breakout below this bottom, and I have to admit that my main count is still the same. We have to land lower. We have to land our fifth wave to complete the entire structure on a bigger scale. That is why don't be in a hurry and do not enter your long position right here, because even if we are still bullish, the movement to the upside doesn't have enough momentum. That is why most likely we still have to see at least a retracement, and then we have to take a look on the crucial levels of the price action. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.